bleeding because they had bitten my nipple off, and I was bleeding because they forced their entry. Yeah, my backside. They forced because they literally both raped me on both sides. So it was still, I was in pain.
Mm-hmm.
The only thing I could think about was just to take a shower.
You didn't think you're supposed to go to the hospital first and
I was dirty.
mm-hmm.
I felt very dirty because I felt myself and I was like literally wet all over, and
Mm-hmm.
I just wanted to take everything about them off of my
At
body.
that moment.
At that moment I just didn't want to feel them.
Mm-hmm.
So nikaingia kwa bafu.
Mm-hmm.
Fortunately nikifungua shower nikapata kulikuwa na maji. Ilikuwa
Mhm.
imefunguliwa. And that is how niliingia kwa shower.
Mm-hmm.
I took a toothbrush.
Mm-hmm.
Na nikachukua omo detergent. Nikajimwagia. Nikachukua toothbrush nikaanza kujisugua. Nikaanza tu kutoa uchafu yote yenye nilikuwa na feel tu penye wamefika anywhere, like I washed for almost 1 hour and a half nikiwa tu hapo ndani, like siamini hata kama nimeng'ara, like naoga nalia, alafu unajua maji kimwagia hiyo place imeuma bado ni chungu, like hata sikuwa na feel hiyo pain sikuwa na feel. I just wanted like itoke tu,
You get on with it.
yeah, nisisikie tu yani anything, hata harufu yao tu ndani yangu, like I didn't want to feel anything about them, nisikuwe na memory yote. So I just thought kuingia tu kwa shower ndio ita wash away everything. Nataka tu kufeel tu clean venye nilikuwa before waingie. Unaona, at the same time I was very heartbroken and I'm very disappointed because I really trusted them.